Hello, Joshua. This is Samantha reaching out from Feed Me Leads. I called you guys earlier, and Jerica told me that you would be the best one to send this screencast to. So here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly, go through one of your competitors' sites really quickly, and then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic through your website. So I typically will send these out, and once business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up to bring in some more traffic to their site. So if you watch this through and feel the same, please don't hesitate to reach out. So without further ado, let's get into it. So right here, I'm on your home page, which is actually very eye-catching. I like all of this right here. It's actually a very good-looking site. It's very pretty. But as you can see, there's not a lot of content. So Google is going to be ranking you based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. So you want to have around 1,000 to 1,500 words on this front page. I looked you guys up. You actually have 522. So we would definitely want to add some more content on there, and we definitely would want it to be educational and valuable content. We want Google to be able to read through this and determine that your site is going to give their users the information and or the services that they are looking for. And in addition to that, we also want to add good, powerful, high traffic keywords to get you guys ranked for the right things. So right here, the word that I'm going to be using for today's video is mold remediation, Louisville, KY. This is a good keyword. It brings in around 200 searches per month. And so right here at the top, we have our Google ads. Our Google ads are going to be a good way to get your name out there, but they cost a lot of money if not done correctly, and not a lot of people trust them. And so right under those, we have our Google Map Pack. This is a good place to be. You really want to be in these top 3 spots. It used to be 5, but now that Google has changed the algorithm, you have to make top 3. And in order to do that, you basically have to have a lot of citations. And citations are when your business is listed on directories along the web. So think Yellow Pages, Yelp, or Yext. Those are all good examples of websites, directories that people trust and get a lot of traffic. And you're going to want to beat these guys out to make one of those top 3 spots. And so down here we have our organic search results. So this is super important. Google has actually come out and said that 70% of people, when they type something in, they are going to actually click on one of these results right here. So we definitely want to get you at the top of this page if possible. So I was taking a look at this guy earlier. I'll show you his site really quickly. So he has a pretty good site. There are a couple things I would change, but overall it's a pretty good looking site. I did a word count on him. He actually only has 717 words, so more than you, but still not enough for Google standards. So he would be extremely easy to beat out content-wise. But the main way you're going to get up here is through utilizing backlinks. And backlinks are basically just like a shout out. So websites, linking websites, businesses linking businesses. That's basically what the web is made out of. And so you want to get shout outs or backlinks from relevant, high powered websites in your area. So you want like a local plumber or a real estate agent or maybe a construction company to kind of give you guys a shout out or a backlink. And you want to get as many of those as possible. So right here, if you guys try and ever do this on your own, I would definitely suggest getting this. This is ahrefs.com. It costs around $400 a month to get, but it gives a lot of good info. So right here, I typed in the guy we were just looking at. He has 137 backlinks from 41 different sites and is ranking for 322 keywords. So I can actually click right here and I can see all the keywords that they're trying to rank for. I can see how many people are searching up that phrase a month. I can see what position he holds for that phrase on Google, and then I can see how much traffic he's getting from each one. So we can kind of go through this and we can decide which ones are going to bring in the most traffic, have the most volume, and would be the most valuable to add to your website. And so just how we looked at those keywords, we can actually do the same with these backlinks. We can take a closer look right here, and we can kind of go through them. The ones with the high DR, domain rating, it goes from 1 to 100. So something like this would be a really good one to snatch for your website. We can go through here and pick and choose the best ones. And we do want to get more backlinks than he has. So he has 128. That's a super easy number to beat, but do remember that this is just one competitor for one keyword, for one service. So we want to be able to outrank all of your competitors on all of the best keywords for all of the services you provide. So it ends up being quite a lot, but this is like a good way to show you what it takes to beat out just one of those guys. And so here I've pulled up your website. So you guys right now haven't really utilized much SEO. It seems like you guys have 30 keywords you're going for, but only 2 backlinks from one domain. We can actually take a look at this keyword, the keywords right here. And so as you see, you are going for a couple keywords. See, for instance, this is disaster recovery services. You're going to want to go for keywords that are more location oriented. So the ones that have Louisville, those are going to be a little bit better for you. So I would definitely say you want to go for more keywords that are location specific and bring in more volume as well. So that's basically what I have for you today. To do a quick recap, basically, number one is we're going to want to add more content that is quality, educational, and brings in a lot of traffic with the right keywords. Number two, we're going to want to get you some more citations so that you can try and rank on that Google Map pack, get on the top of the first page of Google. And then lastly, we're going to want to get you some good, high-powered, relevant backlinks. So that's what I have. I hope that you enjoyed this video and got something out of it. If you watch this and you want to get to know more or possibly work together, please reach out to me. You have my email, but my phone number is going to be 714-975-5909. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.